Welcome class third. So in chapter number 3 now we are going to do constructed form. So constructed form means short form. What? Short form. If we are speaking anything, so sometimes we speak very fast, so these words we write with the apostrophe. Apostrophe means this sign. Don't write it in your copy, I'm just telling you. So this is called short form. I will tell you with the example. So here your exercise is also given on page number 31. Write constructed form, or your question can be write short form, constructed form. So what is the first one? Need not. Need not. So what is the short form or constructed form of this? Needn't. Need, and then we will write n, this n, and then apostrophe t. So here o we will not write, and this is your constructed form of need not. So what we will speak here? Needn't. Finally we will do our next word, should not. So how we will write? Shouldn't. Write should, then n, then apostrophe, and then t. This is for not, if not is written. But if will is here, we will. So how we will write? We, then apostrophe, and we will not write vi, and directly what? Double L. Will. They will. So write they, apostrophe, double L. They'll. I'll. I, apostrophe, double L. I'll. Cannot. Again not is there, so we will write can't. What? Couldn't. So write could, then n, then apostrophe t. Couldn't. Wouldn't. Write would, n, apostrophe t. Doesn't. Write does, n, apostrophe t. Hadn't. Write had, n, apostrophe t. Wasn't. Was, n, apostrophe t. Weren't. Were, n, apostrophe t. Then are not. Aren't. A-R-E-R, n, apostrophe t. Did not. Didn't. D-I-D. Did, n, apostrophe did. T. Could not. Couldn't. Could, n, apostrophe t. Now the next exercise you are going to do in your copy. I will just explain here how to do. Here you have to fill the correct word from the help box which is suitable. You will write here. First one, I dash 3 glasses of water. So what? Drink. D-R-I-N-K. I dash my teeth. I brush my teeth. I dash my shoe. I polish my shoe. I dash my school bag. I set my school bag. I dash a glass of milk and apple. I have a glass of milk and apple. So after completing this construction, then you will do this work in your copy. So next exercise is read the following question and answer them using appropriate verb. Verb I have told you, appropriate verb means the work and action word, or what we can say doing words. So first question is, what time do you get up in the morning? So I get up. Get up is a verb. Okay. What do you have for your breakfast? I have. Have is also a verb. A glass of milk, bread and butter, and an apple. How do you travel to your school? So you can write I travel by the school bus, or you can write I go. Travel or go, both are correct. So these are verb. What game do you play in the school? So I play. Play is verb because it's a action. Football. What time do you return home? So I return home at 3 o'clock. So everyone complete your work and send in the group.